Welcome to free ICT tutorials Tamil. Meet you again in this tutorial Pascal part 3. Here we will study about some basic and important words of Pascal instructions. After that we can prepare Pascal coding for execute. First we need to know what is identifier. An identifier is a term, a variable, constant or a program. First we want to know the rules that should be followed in declaring an identifier. Reserved words in Pascal cannot be used as an identifier name. For example, begin, end, until, if, const, etc. We will study about reserved words later. In any programming language, reserved words cannot be used as identifier. Identifier should start with an English letter, capital or small, because Pascal is not case sensitive. After the first letter of the identifier, letters or numbers or underscore can be used. Here first one starts from number, so it's not matching, but second one is correct. Pascal is not case sensitive, so we can mix capital and small letters. The special characters should not be included in an identifier. For example, asterisk, $sign, question mark, @sign, brackets, etc. Dash is not valid, but underscore is valid. There should not be any space between words. For example, student ID, here student and ID separated by space, so invalid identifier. Second one identifier without space, so that's correct, valid. Use of meaningful terms for identifiers can make program easily understood. You should know to identify valid and invalid identifiers. First one invalid because of hash symbol, second one valid, third one valid, fourth one invalid because of space. Next, num-1, that's invalid. Num*1, that's also invalid. Num1 valid. Next one starts with question mark, so invalid. Next also included question mark, so that also invalid. Last identifier with underscore, that's valid. What is reserved words in Pascal? A word in a Pascal that has a fixed meaning and therefore cannot be redefined. Reserved words are not used as identifiers. Actually, reserved words are different from language to language. The following are reserved words used in Pascal. Meet you again in part 4 video lesson. Thanks for watching.